Debnath Art Hub. Hello kids, today we are drawing Peppa Pig. At first we will take a black marker. Now we will draw the Peppa Pig nose and his face. Always drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Like that. Now we will draw his eyes. Follow how I am drawing. If you follow me, then you are also able to draw. Step by step follow how I am drawing. Always remember, drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Yay, like that. Peppa Pig. Yay. Now we are bordering the Peppa Pig. Now let's time to color. Dark pink color, purple color, dark orange color. At first we will take dark pink color. Yes, like that. Peppa Pig looking so awesome. Yay! You love Peppa Pig? Yes, I love Peppa Pig. Now, time to color the shirt of Peppa Pig. It is red color. Always remember, drawing and painting slowly, otherwise your drawing will be wrong. Yeah, like that. And this is the purple color. Thank you little friends. Bye bye.